In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use Splitit. So, did you know you can just buy something online and pay for it in a smaller monthly installments using your existing credit card without taking out a new loan? That's what Splitit does, and it's super easy to use. First, when you're checking out online stores, look for Splitit as a payment option. Not every store supports it, but if you see the logo, you're good to go. That's what the logo looks like, okay? Once you select Split It, you choose how many months you want to spread your payment across. Usually anywhere from 2 to 12 months. For example, if you're buying something that costs 120 and pay 3 months, you'll just pay $40 per month. The best part, you don't need a new card. Split It works with the credit card you already have. They temporarily hold the total purchase amount on your card, but each month only the installment is charged. Just make sure your card has enough credit available to cover the remaining payments. Now, let me show you how it would look like. So, you would have split it like that as an option to pay with, okay? And this is how it would further look like when you're deciding on the payment plans, whether it's how many months are you gonna pay it in 2 months, in 3 months, or 4 months, and that's another one there, right? So that's how it looks like. Now, many stores even let you use Split It without interest or extra fees, though you should always check your card's terms just in case. Some cards may charge for in transactions fees or treat it as cash advance. You can track all your payments easily through Splitit dashboard or app. It shows what's left to pay and the schedule, so you never miss a payment. If you return your item or cancel your order, Splitit automatically adjusts your installments. You will only pay what's left, and any amounts you already paid may be refunded depending on the store's policy. It's simple way to shop without feeling the pinch of paying the full amount upfront, and it keeps your payment organized and predictable. Yeah, so that's how you split it. Anyways, I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.